Welcome to Tea and Biscuits. A couple months ago, I went out for afternoon tea for my birthday. This was my very first visit to the Malaya Tea Room in Alameda. We picked a beautiful day to go. The place looks so inviting. So pretty. This was our table. Lots of things to see on the walls. And we had a nice view. I really like their china that they used. And here's the menu. There are lots of sandwiches to choose from. They have Malaya flavors, and they also have British style flavors. This is a light afternoon tea for one. And they have tea for children. And they have, great tea selection here. Oh, I really like the teapots. It reminds me of teapots over in England. It smells so good. So the first time I tried the tea, it wasn't ready. So let's see how it is now.
See if it's ready now. It's a little bit lighter than it used to be.
Sugar, and then we got some milk.
See how it tastes.
Oh, here's the food. It looks so pretty. All the sandwiches. Wasn't sure what those are. I think that was kind of a potato. The scones and the desserts. You can tell there's a definite Malaysian feel in the foods.
How do they look? Cute. They're like little mini ones.
Yeah, I'm going to taste the scone. Not sure what kind of cream this is. I don't think it's typical cream. And I guess this lime curd works better if you pour it, which is different. Ooh, this is the pork with basil sauce sandwich. I would definitely give this one again. And this is chicken salad. The chicken apple sandwich. It's very fresh. And this is a chicken curry sandwich. It almost tastes like a chicken tikka masala between bread. And then I had a macaron.
Recording our conversation.
The desserts were a bit unexpected. I enjoyed the mini macaron. I'm not sure what flavor it was, but it was fruity. But we were both so full. I really enjoyed this tea. I will definitely come back again. Thank you so much for watching.